Welcome back, candle artists. Let's make a candle. We have sublimated our candle, and we are ready to wick, measure, and pour. We are using apricot coconut wax, Premier Wicks, and black tie barn fragrance. Step 1. Wicking with the Norden tool. I always start by wicking my vessel, and I use the Norden wick centering tool because it saves me from second-guessing placement. It gives me a perfectly centered wick every time. No rulers, no fiddling. Just clip it in place and go. I secure the wick with a dot of wick sticker. After I use the wick centering tool, I use their wick holders to keep the wick perfectly centered and in place. Works like a charm. Step 2. Measuring fragrance. For this candle, I'm using Black Tie Barn's The Fresh Fig, which I have renamed Fig Garden to fit our candle line. Black Tie Barn prefers we don't use their exact names for our candles. We are making measuring simple. We measure exactly 0.7 ounces and fill our beaker to 250 grams, which gives us a perfect fragrance load. I back-engineer the numbers, but I like to keep it simple. This is almost 8% fragrance load, which is perfect for my cocoa apricot wax. Step 3. Filling the beaker. I always use a heat-safe, clearly marked beaker for my pour. I put the fragrance in first, then fill with the hot wax and stir for 2 minutes. Pour right away. There is no need with cocoa apricot creme wax to wait for the temp to cure before you pour. And that's it. Your candle is poured and scented to perfection. Let it cure for at least 24 hours before testing, but ideally 72 hours. Many test at 24 hours, and I have found that to work perfectly fine. Up next, it's time to wick and fragrance test all the black tie fragrances I have included in this first release. These include topsoil, tomato vine, the fresh fig, bell pepper, hot pepper, garlic onion, and beetroot. Please subscribe if you gained value from this video. Check our black tie review video to see the results. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on The Candle Artist Way.